If you want to learn how to prototype in Framer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple, practical workflow for turning your Framer design into an interactive prototype. We'll cover how to add hover, tap, and scroll effects, how to link pages, how to build more advanced interactions with variants, and how to preview and publish your work when you're finished. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Framer tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump in. First, log into Framer and open the project you want to work on. Once your project is open, take a moment to find the exact layer or component you want to animate. This is important because in Framer, prototyping starts with selecting the right element. It could be a button, a card, an image, a menu item, or even an entire component depending on the effect you want to create. After you select the layer or component, look at the right side panel. This is where Framer keeps most of the design and interaction controls. From there, go to Effects, then choose Add Effect. You'll see options like Hover, Tap, and Scroll. These are the core interaction types you can use to bring your design to life. If you want something to animate when a user moves their cursor over it, choose Hover. If you want it to react when someone clicks or taps, choose Tap. And if you want the animation to trigger based on scrolling, choose Scroll. Once you pick the effect, you can start changing the properties of the selected element. Framer gives you a lot of flexibility here. You can adjust scale to make an object grow or shrink, opacity to fade it in or out, position to move it around, and other visual properties depending on the effect you're building. A simple hover state might slightly scale a button and increase its opacity. A tap effect might move a card or change its color. The goal is to make the interaction feel natural and responsive. If you want to link one page to another, Framer makes that pretty easy too. Select the element you want users to click, then look for the link option. Click link and choose the page you want to send people to. This is a great way to prototype navigation, buttons, menus, and call to action elements. For example, you might link a homepage button to an about page or a product card to a detailed product screen. This helps you test the flow of your site before publishing it. Now, if you want to create more advanced animation or more customized interactions, you can use components and variants. To do that, click the plus icon, then choose component. After that, add variants. Variants let you create different states for the same component, which is really useful when you want to build interactive UI elements like toggles, menus, cards, or buttons with multiple visual states. Once your variants are set up, go to Interaction and choose something like on-click or hover, then select Switch Variant. This tells Framer what should happen when the user interacts with the element. For example, you can create a default state and a hovered state for a button, then switch between them smoothly when someone moves their cursor over it. You can also use this method for more complex prototypes, like expanding panels or changing content inside a component. After you've added your effects and interactions, it's time to test everything. Click Preview in the top right corner to see how your prototype behaves. This is where you check whether the hover states feel smooth, the tap actions work correctly, and the page links take users to the right place. Testing is really important because it helps you catch issues before sharing the prototype with others. If something doesn't look right, go back and adjust the settings until the interaction feels correct. Small changes in scale, timing, or position can make a big difference in how polished your prototype feels. Take your time here, because a clean interaction can make your design look much more professional. When you're happy with everything, click Publish. Publishing makes your Framer prototype ready to share with teammates, clients, or anyone else who needs to review it. This is the final step that turns your project from a working design into a shareable prototype. So to recap, the process is simple. Open your project, select the layer or component, add an effect like hover, tap, or to scroll, customize the properties, link pages if needed, use variants for advanced interactions, preview your prototype, and publish when you're done. Once you understand this workflow, prototyping in Framer becomes much faster and much easier. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials on Framer, web design, and no-code workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.